Hello, kids. Today we will practice sight words. Her, him, with. Are you ready? Let's begin. Just follow the blue circle and read along. H E R. Her. Her cap is orange. Again, her cap is orange. Your turn. Very good. Her doll is red. Again, her doll is red. Your turn. Very good. Him. H I M. Him. I see him run. Again, I see him run. Your turn. Very good. Can you help him? Again, can you help him? Your turn. Very good. With. W I T H. With. I play with my friends. Again, I play with my friends. Your turn. Very good. He runs with his dog. Again, he runs with his dog. Your turn. Very good. Are you ready to answer some questions? Question 1. Can you spell her? HER HIM or WITH? The right answer is HER, her. Question 2. Can you spell him? HERHIMWITH. And the right answer is HIM, him. Question 3. Can you spell with? HERHIMWITH. And the right answer is WITH, with. Thank you so much for reading along. Teaching Mama is very happy. Would you like to meet me in the next video? Till then, take care and bye-bye.